Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ASFX, American Scientific Resources Incorporated. Very popular chart, still get lots of questions on it, so I want to get it updated. Overall, daily chart looks like this. Been going down, but it has been making progress in the past couple of weeks, so that's what I want to get highlighted. And it's just much easier to see on the 60-minute, so that's why I'm going to stick here for this video. But the key thing that I want to point out and kind of start off with is noticing where the lows are. So if you notice back here at about 10:22, so October 22nd, we put in a low down here. Then a few days went by, and right here on October 29th, we had a low right there. And then more recently, we're hovering around with lows up here. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but the difference between all these lows is each one is higher than its previous one. You know, that's higher than that, and that one's higher than that. So this gives us the ability to get started with an uptrend line. So if we take this low here and then draw it up like this, you can either use a low of that or a low of that. I'm just going to split the difference, and we can draw what we have here as an uptrend line. So I'm going to change this to green because it is a support trend line, and this is what we have here now in the short term. Now remember, this may look like it's a longer term time frame, but it is only the 60-minute chart, so we're covering about 2 or 3 weeks here worth of price action. But you know, all long-term things need to start in the short term, and so this is what we're going to be using to track this. Now at the other side of the coin, the last time I did this video, I know I marked out this high up here at 0.0258 as being a resistance. And then back here on October 30th, you can see the price went up there. And you know, just to brag a little bit about charting, right here, the power of charts, by using this high, it did a great job of forecasting where that resistance was, and then the price got knocked back down. But what I'm getting at with this is we now have a bullish chart pattern setting up here. I'm going to make this a little thicker, but we have an ascending triangle shaping, meaning we have this uptrending line here. However, we do have a flat resistance up here. So to use a little bit other terms, our support is a dynamic, meaning that as time increases, the price also increases. However, our resistance is static, meaning that as time increases, you can see that the price stays the same. So increasing time here produces a higher support level. Increasing time here produces the same exact support level of basically right up here at 0.026. So for the time being, you know, this is the chart pattern to watch. This is what's going on with the chart. We have the ascending triangle. You can see this on the daily chart, but like I said, it's just much easier to see on the 60-minute. I haven't checked, but just out of curiosity, let's see how it looks on the 30-minute. So if I draw this, you know, same thing you can see here on the 30-minute, top of our resistance line, and then we have that. So that's kind of what I wanted to point out. That's the update. I know this video is not going to be too groundbreaking or exciting, but just to answer the questions I've been getting, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. What's going on with the chart? Well, the chart has an ascending triangle pattern on it right now, and you know, that's kind of a wait and see. Hopefully, if it pulls back here, you know, it'll find support and bounce, and then eventually be able to push up through this 0.026 level. But all that remains to be seen. So like I said, nothing groundbreaking. If you do have any other questions, please shoot me a message. And as always, I'd encourage you to go to bullmarketnewsletter.net, sign up for the newsletter, and you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And with your subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, and it's all free of charge, no strings attached. Things are covered from penny stocks all the way up to big boards. So there's a great variety and something there for everybody. So I'd encourage you to go check it out. One more time, this was ASFX. Thanks for listening.